Today is Wish Day, so to celebrate Wish Day, we are making pickled chicken. We are so excited, well, they're so excited about this. We shout out to Make-A-Wish Pickles, and let's get started cooking. So first, we're gonna get 2 chicken breasts. We're gonna cut it in little strips. A lot of fat, I would cut that off for them, but this one is really fatty. So I'm just gonna place those chicken pieces in there. Then with a knife, spread these out a little bit. And this is just the pickle juice from there. We're gonna pour this pickle juice in here. Ooh, it smells so good, guys. Oops, a pickle dropped in. Just kidding, it was a raw chicken. Cover it. And put it in the refrigerator 3 hours. Alexa, set a timer for 3 hours. Don't look in here.
3 hours, starting now. Your chicken timer is done.
We are going to drain the pickle juice. It says cat dry. Is back in the patted, somewhat dry. Now we're going to put this aside and we're going to start mixing the ingredients to cover this chicken. And it starts with 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. So I'm going to put that in a little bowl. And then next you need 2 teaspoons of dill. I love the smell of dill. We're gonna give that a little shake. Oh yeah, that looks yummy. And then you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic. I've never done this recipe, so I hope it turns out good for them. And then you would think you would need more wet ingredients than this, but I guess not. It's getting pretty thick and we still have 2 more dry ingredients. We need some pepper, and it's 1 teaspoon of pepper. Oh yeah. So thick, like look how thick it's become. I don't know how to spread that on there, but we'll see. And then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now it's really clunky. Okay, so this calls for 2 tablespoons of the avocado oil, and it's just so thick. Like I'm not gonna be able to spread that on that chicken. So I'll start by adding 1 more. Oh yeah, that's gonna be so much easier to spread that on there. Look at that, that's so much easier. Gonna kind of pour it over these chickens and kind of lay them so they're not all on top of each other. We have room to kind of spread it out a little bit and get it good and covered. And we'll just go and sprinkle it on top. That looks good. Okay. So for Christmas a few years ago, I got this amazing grill, which I just started cooking on the grill outside. So before that, anytime we had steaks or anything, I always cooked it inside on this grill. And I have some fun recipes I'm going to be able to share with y'all on this grill that I've tried before. So I put it on 1 burner and I put a little oil on it. Then I turn this on and let it get hot for a few minutes. And look at this chicken now, doesn't it? So the grill is getting really hot, and most of the time I turn it all the way up. For some reason I didn't, but that's okay. But I do turn it down to like medium heat to do the chicken, because I just don't want the outside to be burnt and then the inside not be cooked. And so I'm gonna grab these little bad boys and put them in there. And with the Creuset grill, it only takes like 6 minutes to cook chicken on average. So most of the time I do like 3 minutes on one side and then flip it to the other side and then I'll check it. I decided to do the pickled chicken today because we were blessed with a Make-A-Wish trip and we went to give kids the world. We had such amazing times that they have an amazing pickle book. All the pickles you can eat. Aromas in the oven. It smells so good. I really think this would be good on like zucchini or a potato. This is looking so good. I'm a vegetarian and I think it looks good, so that should tell you something. Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. I'll give it like 1 more minute and then we're gonna pull them up. Let's start with this tiny piece. I'm pretty sure it's good. It's getting brown on the outside a little bit. So the chicken, it's getting a little grill mark, so it's definitely time to take these off. And right here, I am going to cut into one just to make sure it's cooked and you ready to try the dill pickle chicken? I am. It smells so good. It does smell so good. I guess it's a successful meal.